Hello and welcome to another episode of Mini Story. Thanks for listening to Mini Story Podcast. If you'd like to take your speaking to the next level, listen carefully to the story and answer the follow-up questions. Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Mini Story. In this episode, I'll tell you a short, funny, and kind of strange story about an Iranian girl. But before we start, I should tell you that this story will be in the future. So imagine that this story will happen in the future. Got it? Let's get started. Zainab will be an Iranian girl.
Hello.
What will Zainab's nationality be? Great. Her nationality will be Iranian. She will be an Iranian girl. Will Zainab be from Iran? Yes, she will be from Iran because her nationality is Iranian. She will be 6 years old. How old will Zainab be? She will be 6 years old. Will she be an adult? No. She won't be an adult. Won't is the short form of will not. She won't be an adult because she's 6 years old. Will she be a child? Yes, she will be a child because she's only 6 years old. She will go to an elementary school. Will Zainab go to a high school? No. Zainab will go to an elementary school because she is only 6 years old. When you are between 6 and 11 years old, you go to an elementary school. She will be crazy about her school.
Yay!
Will she like her school? Yes, she will be crazy about her school. She will love her school. Why? Because it will be a nice and huge school. Will the school be big? Yes, the school will be very big. The school will be huge. Her mother will always take her to school in the morning. Will Zainab go to school alone? No. Zainab will go to school with her mother. Her mother will always take her to school in the morning and bring her back home in the afternoon. When will Zainab get back home? Bravo! Zainab will get back home in the afternoon. One day, her mother will go to school at 4 o'clock. When will Zainab's mother go to school? Awesome! She will go to school at 4 o'clock. Will her mother go to school in the afternoon? Yes, her mother will go to school in the afternoon at 4 o'clock. Not in the morning because no one goes to school at 4 o'clock in the morning. And Zainab will run out of her class. Will Zainab walk out of her class? No. Zainab will run out of her class. She will say, "We have a new girl in our class today, Mummy." Will Zainab say, "We have a new boy in our class"? No. She will say, "We have a new girl in our class." The new girl will be 6.5 years old. How old will the new girl be? the new girl will be 6.5 years old. Will the new girl be 6 years and 6 months old? Yes, she will be 6.5 years old. A half means 6 months. So the new girl will be 6 years and 6 months old. And she will be very friendly. Will the new girl be shy? No. She will be very nice and friendly. But the new girl won't be Iranian. Will the new girl be Iranian? No. The new girl won't be Iranian. She will be from America. Will the new girl be American? Yes, the new girl will be American because she will be from America. Her mother will ask, "Can the new girl speak Farsi?" What will Zainab's mother ask her? Great, she will ask, "Can the new girl speak Farsi?" Zainab will answer, "No, but she laughs in Farsi." Can the new girl laugh like Iranian? Yes, the new girl will laugh like Iranian. That's the end. Hope you enjoyed this story. Now it's your turn. Tell the story to one of your friends, or if there is no one nearby, tell the story to yourself to boost up your fluency. See you next time.